Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to start Alfa Romeo Giulia with the key step by step. Begin by sitting comfortably and verifying the car is in park and the parking brake is set. Insert the key into the ignition or place it near the start area if your model uses a proximity sensor. Press the brake firmly, then turn the key or press start to ignite. Listen for normal engine sounds before releasing the key. Before starting, take a moment to prepare the Alfa Romeo Giulia and yourself. Confirm the key fob battery is functional and no dash warnings are present. Sit and adjust your seat and mirrors so your feet and hands reach pedals and controls naturally. Turn off headlights and accessories to preserve battery power for cranking. Keep both hands free and focus on smooth movements when you insert the key or engage. With the car prepared, position your foot on the brake and proceed to start the engine. Insert the key and turn clockwise until the engine cranks, or press the start button if your model uses a push start. Hold the key briefly until the engine fires, then release to let the system run. If it does not start, pause for a few seconds and retry, avoiding rapid repeated attempts that stress the starter motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.